Voila! Here's my hair. I wanted to show you indoor lighting versus outdoor lighting. Because hair color is really different according to what lighting you're in. Why do you think like movie sets and all kinds of production work has lighting? Because it is what makes people and colors the way you want them to be. But I wanted you to see the true color of this. I really like this product because it gives you so much shine. And I have super coarse hair, so imagine if you had like fine hair and you put this in, it would be shinier than this. And I love that it didn't completely make it all one color. And that actually has to do with the level of porosity in my hair. So meaning that when I bleached it, there were areas that are a little bit finer in texture. So think of it like as hair being like fabric. So the finer the hair, it's almost like silk. So it definitely takes to bleach differently. And then like the more coarse the hair, it reacts to bleach differently. There's a lot that goes into coloring your hair, especially bleaching. But I'm so glad that companies are making these kind of products that just basically help you with the color to achieve it, day to day, because it would be impossible for any of us to go to the salon like every week and refresh this color. It would just be too much maintenance and actually just way too expensive. Nobody can do that. So the fact that different companies are making these amazing colors that come in conditioners, always just use conditioner. Don't worry about the shampoo because it's just gentler on your hair. It's better to use like a more moisturizing shampoo. So when you're doing these color conditioners or color depositing products, just use the conditioner. That's all you need. So welcome to Florida. This is what they call a Florida room because right now it's like amazing weather. But think about how it is in like, I don't know, the summer, spring, when all those mosquitoes come out. This is what you need, a Florida room. So you can enjoy the outside without getting like bit to death. All right, guys. I'm loving my color. Bye.